Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, and the display assembly rear cover. Removal. Remove the 8 P2 Phillips head screws that secure the Scalar board shield to the display panel assembly. Peel back the retention tape that covers one corner of the Scalar board shield. Remove the Scalar board shield. Replacement. Note, before replacing the Scalar board shield, make sure there are 6 thermal pads affixed to the bottom of the shield. Place the Scalar board shield into its position on the Scalar board. Reattach the retention tape over one corner of the Scalar board shield. Replace the 8 P2 Phillips head screws to secure the Scalar board shield to the display panel assembly.